Hi everyone, this is Cassidy from Wicked Social, and we are going to quickly show you today how to add a Lightbox to your Wix website, or better known as a website pop-up. So once you log into your Wix account and you're in the editor, you are going to click on this little plus sign over here labeled Add Elements, and you can go down to Interactive. Over here you'll see a few different types of Lightboxes, so you'll see Welcome, Subscribe, Promotion, as well as Contact options. You can just scroll up and down and see kind of what layout that you like and select which one you want to add. So for today we're going to add this one. In here you are able to just click into any of the text and images and update any promotion that you want to highlight. So we're going to put a little example in here for today. You can also click into the images, click change image, and this is where you can upload any media you want. For today we're just going to select an image that we already had uploaded. So you can put your icon in here or any service that you want to run a promotion on. If you wanted to ever edit or rename this, you can go to your pages and menu, and it's going to be under Lightboxes here, and all you do is just click in and you're able to rename your Lightbox. You would just go ahead and publish your website.